Hey everybody, it's Mikeworth, and I am once again inviting you to come join me at the 12-week year accountability group. Now the next group starts really soon. I will put that information somewhere down here. But we have a lot of people who come back time after time after time after time, and there's a reason. And there's a reason why people also avoid time after time after time after time. And that number one item is about honesty. And it is about being honest to myself. Accountability isn't that. A lot of people are like, I don't need that. I don't want to. I've heard so many excuses about why people don't want to join accountability group. And that is because they just don't want to screw with it. They don't want to hold their own feet to the fire. They don't want to move forward in whatever. They don't want other people to do it. That it's too much work. There's a million excuses, and that's what they are. That they are excuses. And one of the things I remind everyone is that at some point, everybody in prosperity mindset, everybody really gets tired of their own excuses. And I was talking to somebody in a meeting this morning. I'm like, I am so sick to death of me. Nothing makes you more sick of you than watching more and more and more of you. So when I look at honesty or accountability isn't about not making mistakes or being chastising. Accountability is really having the capacity to honestly look at your life. Is it what you want? Is this the relationships that you want? Is this the wealth that you want? Is this the body you want? Is this the body of work that you want? Is this it? Is this what you want? And I had to look at myself really clear. And for my honesty, man, it was not pretty. It was not pretty. That I had to look at, why do I have 10 years of writing that's not finished? Why do I have a storage unit full of stuff? Why is my garage so full I can't, whatever? Why? And that is being honest with myself to say, oh, you know what? I probably buy too much stuff. Maybe I have this problem. Maybe I'm, now I need to be a completist. I made myself a little sign, by the way. I will share it with you, which is, right, I am a completist. So that means finishing my tasks. That means putting tracks together. That means building rituals. And in that prosperity mindset, the more you can be honest with yourself and then choose to take action on that reveal, man, it's powerful. It's life-giving. And what nobody remembers or recognizes or acknowledges is that all that offloading that you do, maybe this time, this, all those offloading, they are still held somewhere back here in the ether of your existence. That's all waiting. They're all waiting. It's all waiting. It's all waiting. And life is short. So when you think about accountability, if you are ignoring me or avoiding this concept, one, you have to write a book. It's the 12-week year. It's available free on YouTube. It's on every Audible, whatever that you have. And it's not particularly a great book, but it is a great practice. And that's why we do it. We go through that practice all the time. How are you going to pick 3 goals? You're going to work through them for 84 days, and you're going to be honest as to why you're doing it, why you're not doing it. What's the underneath thing? And I will tell you, on each round, I learned something new about myself. And from a prosperity perspective, the thing that I like about what I learn about myself is that every time that I uncover this little nugget of, I kind of was hoping that somebody would save me, or, I don't actually like doing those tasks, or, I don't feel very self-confident in that, or it feels like it's going to take a long time. That's going to cost me money. There's so many, right? the smarter that people are, the better their excuses are. It's so good. So I'm good. I'm good. And so are you. And so are you. So you will just come up with all of these excuses. But every time I dig something, that I uncover something about my own stuff, that I go, oh, I can solve that. And then the capacity grows. And then you can start keeping promises to yourself. And then you start editing out stuff that no longer serves you. It no longer serves you to do that, right? That I had to relearn a lot of different things that I was like, oh, I guess I could throw that behavior away. The accountability group itself is only 1 hour long. It's 1 hour. It's 1 hour. It's DIY. You're going to do all your stuff by yourself. And so nobody's, checking over your shoulder. We like to keep score and we like to share the score. But the fact is that you have to be accountable to yourself. And that's being honest about what you're doing and what you're not doing and allowing yourself to uncover that piece. So you'll get clarity, you'll get capacity, but the greater gift that you'll have is honesty. And learning to be honest with yourself, it's a gift. It's a gift. So please join me and please give yourself the gift of time for you. Invest in you. Invest in your dreams and the things that you want in life. There's nothing better to invest in than those great ideas. And for myself, I had to really look at there's 10 years of stuff here. I wish it was only 10. I think it's maybe 30. Bye.